following is a high wind warning
Whoa!
for the following county: Wayne, North Carolina. High wind warning in effect from 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. Sunday for northeast portions of central North Carolina. Southwest.
Wait, is KC84 going on for this? I don't know if they're showing Wayne or not. No.
The hazardous conditions are expected from 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. Sunday. Impacts, damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. The following is a high surf advisory for the following county: coastal and low.
Okay. Number flash with warnings. I got this in 4K, I'm pretty sure, because cinematic was amazing, but yeah.
Expected in the surf zone.
That's rare.